Hello, my name is Joshua Korcha, and today we're going to talk about the Steganography program, Digital Invisible Ink. Steganography is a category of cryptography, and cryptography is defined as encoding or decoding secret messages. And that's to put it simply, of course. Today we're going to use Digital Invisible Ink to put a secret message into this photo. You will need two photos. One has to be a bitmap photo, and you can tell it's a bitmap photo by seeing BMP file as the extension. So you will see .bmp. The reason we need BMP is to have the encoding from the program work with the file, and that only works with bitmap photos. So, and the other one can be any other file type you choose as long as it's photo. Now, Digital Invisible Ink is going to require you to have a text file with the text you want hidden in the photo. So we're going to call that input. Open up your input text and think of a secret message you would like to tell somebody and them not to find out. So how about hurry, the CIA is coming. This seems something secret we might need to tell someone. Now you have to make sure you go to File and Save. If you do not save this, this will not work. Once you have saved your file, close it. Digital Invisible Ink is also going to require you to have a new text document for outputting the message. Once you've created your two text documents and you have your two photos, make sure your input text is here. Make sure your output text doesn't have anything, which it shouldn't, you just created it. And we're going to open up Digital Invisible Ink. Once it's open, you will see that there is Encode tab and a Decode tab at the top. We are going to work with Encode first to put the message from input into our secret photo. So at first we're going to click on Get Message, go to where we store our files, click on Input Text, because that's where we're going to store our secret text. Click Open, and now we will use Get Cover to hide what this photo looks like. So this photo will now look like this cover photo. So click on Get Cover, go to where you store your files, click on Cover, and click Open. Now, if you wish, you could create a password, but we're not going to go that far into this. We're just going to use an algorithm to put in text. In that algorithm, you have a choice, but we're going to use the default battle steg. Now, you're going to set your image, and the set image is where you want the input text to go in. So we're going to have that input text go into our secret photo. Open up where your secret photo is, click on Secret Photo, and click Save. Now, if all your information is correct, your input is correct, your cover is correct, your algorithm is correct, and your photo where you're storing your message is correct, click Go. You will see it's a success, and you will notice it worked by the fact that the photo has changed. Click OK. If you have an error, go over these and make sure that all of them were chosen correctly. But we didn't, so we're going to continue. Now to get this message, we need to see if it's actually in there. How do we know? Click on the Decode tab above, and we're going to Get Image, which is the image we have created. So go to where your files are, find your secret photo, and click Open. Now, because we didn't enter a password before, we don't need to enter it here. You're going to select the algorithm that you had used, and since we had default battle steg, we're going to use battle steg. Now, when it says set message here, it is looking for the output, which is where it wants to send your message from your photo to. So we're going to set it to the blank file. So we're going to click on set message, go to where our text file is, click on Output, Save, and click Go. But we have to make sure we have the file that has the message in it, our algorithm, and our output that has nothing in it. Once we've done that, we click Go. Success. Well, let's double check. You will get an error if you didn't do everything correctly, so make sure you do everything slowly and correctly. Now, let's go into our output file and make sure everything is there. Hurry, the CIA is coming. Well, it looks like I must go now. Have a great day.